When we were young, we didn't have an understanding of how to navigate the pathway as we journeyed the road of life. It was mother and father that first showed us the way on the road of life. Later, as we journeyed along this road of life, we sought the way through our teachers, friends, and society. The Integrated Road Investment Program, iRoad, was initiated with the objective of improving the roadways in difficult-to-access rural areas, causing the least amount of damage to the natural environment. The Asian Development Bank funded the program. The iRoad program is set up to run from 2014 to 2027 and comprises of 8 projects covering all 9 provinces. The pilot phase of the iRoad program commenced in 2015 in the southern province, covering Galle, Mathura and Hambantota districts. It is now only that we understand that just like the metaphorical road of life, that the road we physically travel on can also be improved, helping us save travel time as we journey along the road of life. The road to the dawn of a new era. Maintaining the relative peace and tranquility of the surroundings whilst leaving them unharmed, every step in this journey has been a great strength to the next.
මේ ගමේ තියුනේ රබර් වගාව හැමතැනම වඳුරු ගතිය නිවෙන්න මේ කැලේ එලි කළා මේ නාගස ගෙනල්ලා මේ හන්දියේ පැල කරා. පැල කළා ටික කාලයක් යද්දී ඉතින් වැඩුණා හොඳින්.
During the course of all these road developments that took place, the people were continuously consulted through grievance redress committees so that they may have a voice in the development, whilst the need of the majority was always catered to. It is a feat nothing short of total wonder that the building of a road has in the way it joins and connects the silence of nature with the intertwined lives of the people.
අවුරුදු 8ක් විතර මේ පාරේ වැඩ කරන්නේ මම. දැන් පාරත් හොඳට හදලා තියෙනවා. ඉතල පැයයි විනාඩි 5ක් ගියා. දැන් විනාඩි 45යි වගේ එනවා. ගණනුත් අඩුයි, වාහන රිපෙයාරුත් අඩුයි දැන්.
எங்களுக்கு முன்ன போகலாமல் இருந்துச்சு, ரோட்டெல்லாம் ரொம்ப பிரச்சனையாக இருந்துச்சு. சாதாரணமாக ஹாஸ்பிட்டலுக்கு போகிறேனாலும் பாபாலாம் கிடைச்ச நேரம் ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாக இருந்துச்சு.
The lives that spent generations as days turned into weeks, months and years, as they traversed these unsteady pathways, have had an abundance of convenience added to their lives. These retaining walls have been built to suit the nature that surrounds these roadways.
කාලේ පැයකට අධික කාලයක් දෙනිය නගරයට ළඟා වෙන්න ගත වුණත් දැනට මම හිතන්නේ විනාඩි 20ක වගේ කෙටි කාලයක් තුළ නගරයට ළඟා වෙන්න පුළුවන්. මේ ප්‍රදේශයේ ජනතාවට වචන වලින් කියන්න බැරි සේවාවක් උනායි කියලා මම විශ්වාස කරනවා.
අපිට මේ වක්වැල්ල ගිනිමැල්ල ගහ පාර හැදුවෙන් අපි වෙනදට වැඩිය ගොඩාක් දියුණුවට පත් වෙලා තියෙන ප්‍රවාහන පහසුකම් ඇතිලා අපේ මේ ව්‍යාපාරات දියුණු වෙලා හැම පැත්තෙම කට්ටියක් එනවා. ඇත්තටම හරිම සතුටුයි පාර හදලා දුන්නේ.
As a consequence of road development, some trees were required to be removed. During the implementation of the iRoad project in the southern province, a total of 4,081 trees were removed. Yet, at a ratio of 1:3, 12,243 tree saplings were planted to make up for the removed trees, of which 8,000 saplings were planted along the southern expressway between Godagama and Pinadua intersections. Furthermore, for the first time, a tag number has been introduced for each tree sapling to enable the relevant authorities to identify and protect them, with the ultimate aim of safeguarding the beauty of our nation and the environment. The iRoad project, owing to its meticulous planning, was able to protect the freedom of the wildlife that is so much a part of nature that the project had to go through. The project was also able to introduce a new road sign to mark on the road surface to indicate elephant crossing places for the first time in Sri Lanka.
iRoad project is much more concerned on environmental safeguards.
During the development of the roadways of this project, landowners were most flexible and accommodating by donating strips of their land as and when the need arose. Many large trees, such as this, which could have been easily removed, were left untouched by the officers of this project, which was a great challenge. The many challenges successfully faced by these officers during the iRoad project in the southern province meant that they could set an example for the generations yet to come. This was also seen as a necessity so that they too may learn to be sensitive to the needs of nature and thereby its conservation. During the implementation of the iRoad project, indigenous knowledge and other skills of the local residents were used to deliver user-friendly roads. Technical experiments made through using local resources available from the environment by iRoad project in Southern Province were achieved successfully.
I have worked in 6 countries covering 3 continents, and iRoads is the most logistically challenging project I have handled.
Asian Development Bank is an organization which helps Sri Lanka a lot in road sector development, especially the rural road sector development. I have the pleasure to state that this is one of the best projects we have implemented in Sri Lanka.
The objective of this iRoad program is to improve the transport efficiency and thereby to enhance the socio-economic standards of rural communities.
Though each person connected to the project was working individually, they each had specific common responsibilities, which they were accountable for. The success of this iRoad project in the southern province is also attributed to the fact that there was a collective responsibility amongst all of the project partners and stakeholders functioning as a team. A project of this nature primarily facilitates the improved riding comfort and saving of time to those that would use the roads developed and improved by the project. As an additional advantage for the residents of the area who previously had no access to water and electricity services have now started enjoying these benefits, as the provision of these services naturally follows the road improvement.
The backbone of the project is called CSD, or context sensitive design, which takes the sensitivity or the community values into the design.
The unique feature of this project is diversifying its scope beyond civil works towards people-centered arrangements to deliver user-friendly roads to the public.
iRoad is one of the best projects implemented in the southern province during my tenure as the Chief Secretary.
The iRoad Southern Province project improved the safety of the areas in which it took place in many ways. Appropriate protection with retaining walls were provided to houses adjacent to the road, and slope protection was also provided to high cuttings in mountain areas.
අපිට කලින් තිබුණේ පොඩි පාරක් පඩිපෙරවල් ටිකක් එක්කද මේ මහත්තුරු පාර හදලා අපිට පාර හොඳ හැටි හදලා දුන්නා. ගොඩක් පාරුයි දරුවෙක් යන්න උනල් ලේසියෙන් පාර. ටීවී එකක් බයික් එකක් වුණා යන්න හැකි ඉතින් මෙහෙලට ගොඩක් තින් සිද්ධ වෙන පාර හදලා දීපු එකට අපිට.
එදිරිසිංහ මාවත ප්‍රතිසංස්කරණය ගැන කියන්න තියෙන්නේ. ඇත්තටම මේ ප්‍රතිසංස්කරණය තුළින් ගමේ ජන ජීවිතය වැඩි දියුණු වුණා. ඒ වගේම ආඩි එක ගැන තිබිච්ච මිනිස්සුන්ගේ ආකල්ප හුඟක් හොඳ අතට හැරුණා. අවුරුද්දක් දෙකක් ඇතුළත විශාල ඉඩම් ප්‍රමාණයක් මිලදී අරගෙන විශාල ගෙවල් ප්‍රමාණයක් මේ මාවතේ හැදිලා තියෙනවා.
Integrated Road Investment Program Southern Province runs through a strong coordination mechanism.
Grievance redress mechanism made us more comfortable in functioning of the project activities.
The project saw its completion with the goal of further improving the relationship that people have with the roadway. The project also took into consideration the various kinds of activities and industries that the local residents were engaged in. All the roads of the iRoad Southern Province were improved in paying due attention to the surrounding natural environment of the roadways and utilized it to the project's advantage in a non-destructive manner.
We produce quality end product using available material together with skilled workmanship. Our quality assurance system played a vital role in achieving targets.
The project was able to take adequate measures to control flood damage that may occur from the beautiful rivers, whilst maintaining the specified road construction standards.
We have successfully completed 96 kilometers within allocated time period. Team spirit amongst all stakeholders was secret of the success of the project. I would like to thank everyone who contributed for this big challenge.
The maintenance of roads is equally important as improvements of roads. The officers of the iRoad Southern Province project gave special attention to ensuring that the project would facilitate a great amount of convenience to the people whom it would mostly affect. To this end, every project officer worked efficiently to ensure that their responsibilities towards the project were successfully met. A roadway, being an instrument of growth and development to a community, is clearly seen in the example of the iRoad Southern Province project. This is evident in the way by which it helped the everyday lives of the people in the project area, and also seen in the way by which it further developed the industries that these people were employed in. Today, these people in the Southern Province have better accessibility to their jobs and for further development of their professions and livelihoods. The iRoad program, which was initiated in the Southern Province, has brought villages closer to the cities by providing a better road network, whilst ensuring the protection of nature and the environment. Completing the iRoad Southern Province project has today provided the means by which the lives of thousands of people are uplifted, by bridging and bringing closer the villages and the cities together in the project areas.